Hello, guys, and welcome to the channel Tech It's Simple. Today, we're going to learn how to time block on Google Calendar. Firstly, open Google Calendar on your device. Now, let's select any date we want to schedule things for. On the left-hand side, you can see the other calendars. Next, with the plus icon, click on it and create a new calendar. Let's give the new calendar a name and create it. Let's create another one. Now, let's go back and just create an event. More options, let's add a title and set it to repeat daily. You can choose any frequency you like. I will choose daily for free right now. And since it's breakfast, I choose the breakfast one. Color code it, and we can also add guests if you like. Just hit save. Now, you can see something like this, breakfast, between 5 to 6. Now, let's add another event. Let's go to options, title it, set it to repeat daily. You can also use find a time to select from there. You can also go to the all guests off option, click on it, and select no guest required or add guests as per your need. Again, go back to event details, select the new event you want to add, color code it, and just hit save. Now, you can see something like this. And that's how we make time blocks on Google Calendar. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.